Hello and good evening. You are on Money for Nothing. Today we are going to discuss a platform I began to invest on 1 year ago. REALT offers fractional real estate investing with cryptocurrency, powered by blockchain technology. The concept behind REALty is relatively simple. It involves a range of different properties located in the United States, which you can start investing in with as little as $50. Payments can be made directly through your MetaMask wallet using Ethereum or the XDAI chain, which has significantly lower transaction fees. You can even use Coinbase for payments. The key idea here is that these properties are rented out, and investors earn rental income. Property details. Let's delve deeper into the specifics. Each property has a total price, which represents the cost of the property itself. REALty handles the purchase of the property on your behalf and subsequently rents it out. The earnings from these properties are distributed to investors on a weekly basis, which can be more frequent than the typical monthly rental income. Additionally, there's an annual gross rental income figure, which can be substantial, depending on the property. When you invest, your ownership is represented by tokens, and you can sell these tokens back to REALty whenever you wish. Property locations and availability. The platform offers properties in various locations, some more appealing than others. It's important to consider factors like geographical risks, e.g., hurricanes in Florida, and demand in different regions, as rental yields vary. Notably, some properties may already be sold out due to their popularity. To use the platform, you'll need to complete a basic Know Your Customer (KYC) process. The entry point for investments is quite low, at around $50. However, it's crucial to be mindful of gas fees when making transactions. Using the XDAI chain can help minimize these fees. I recently invested using my credit card. Team and affiliation. REALty's team is fully transparent and doxed, which means you can find information about the individuals involved. The company is registered, and it's worth noting that they have an advisor, Sergey Khan, who is the owner of 1inch, a well-known crypto project. Additionally, REALty has an affiliate program that offers incentives like cashback, VIP access to events, and early notifications of new property listings. This program provides opportunities for individuals to refer others to the platform. Account and portfolio management. Within the platform, you have access to your account, where you can manage your portfolio and track your orders. Transactions are conducted using DAI, a stablecoin, which adds a layer of stability to your investments. You also have the option to reinvest your earnings back into REALT tokens. Expansion and considerations. Looking ahead, it's possible that REALty will expand beyond the United States, potentially to countries like Canada and the UK. The direction recently told that REALT will buy properties in Europe. This expansion could open up new investment opportunities and revenue streams. However, it's important to consider the unique aspects of real estate, such as market fluctuations, when investing in these properties. Conclusion. In conclusion, REALty offers a unique and accessible way to invest in real estate using cryptocurrency. It provides an opportunity to diversify your portfolio and earn rental income from various properties. If you've had experience with REALty, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Si vous avez appris quelque chose, n'hésitez pas à vous abonner à la chaîne et à liker la vidéo. C'est la meilleure à continuer. I personally reinvest all profits in the reinvestment property. For security reasons, I transfer my tokens to my ledger key. If you've learned something, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. It will help me to continue.